acting awful tough lately, smoking a lot of cigarettes lately, but inside it's just a little baby. Oh,
Drop it.
it's okay to say you got a weak spot.
It's Hoodie Allen.
Always have to be on top.
What up, Arena? You know how we do. They telling me to take the safe route. This is the detour. Hoodie baby, you ain't seen a kid like this before him. Late night shooting for the moon like Warren. Them hits come out.